Your knees crack when you stand up. Your fingers feel stiff in the morning. And you're not even 30. I started researching joint health after my ankles started clicking on every run. Here's what's actually happening in there. Your joints are basically cushions filled with fluid that keep bones from grinding together. But cartilage doesn't have blood vessels, so it gets nutrients through movement. If you sit all day, your joints literally starve. That cracking sound? Usually just gas bubbles popping in the fluid, totally harmless. The fix is simple. Just move more throughout the day.